Hey guys, Trent here. Well, that's weird saying that anyways. So, last video was Tenders and Turntables. Yes, it was. And that was fun. And off the soda orbit, I do have different trains than Thomas trains, surprisingly enough. I know. And yeah. This one I've acquired recently. This one I've had for a year now. And this one we've had for years but never ran because it was so big under our Christmas tree. Which, weirdly enough, I have no memories of that. This is a Lionel one for Lionel ready to play great. And they are a pain to run. Especially when you have tight corners and tight spaces like this. I managed to fit. Kind of sucks one because I kind of ended the track early. That's why these things are complicated to run because they're so massive. These things are a pain to run. Like, size alone. I get a couple of stuck. Here's my hand compared to my Ascension name Rio. And yes, I taped googly eyes and made a face for him. I could not help myself. Unless I did that too. Very squeaky, the thing is. They are surprisingly enough not that temperamental as you think they would be. And then, move that out. This is the temperamental one of the fleet. Because this one, half the time it works, half the time it does not work. Because the bottom, however the batteries are on the rear end, you literally had tape holding it in place in order for it to work. And so let's see if I should get this thing running. And then, as you can see, and then, see what I mean? Complicated. Let's see how long it takes to get stuck. Just want to stretch it out. That's what I'm doing. So this is the temperature one, as you see. Sorry. The village I have. So yeah, and also my mother has rigged this engine. The reason why she's rigged this engine is because the couplings are different than this to that. And so if I turn this engine off, move it, quickly move it, take the engine, quickly take a coupling off, like, leap. So I never thought ahead of this. Because what we did was have the coupling instead this way, have it upside down. As we have it upside down, get it working. It'll look like this. Take it and attach it to the string, hold it in place. So once I move this engine here, turn this one on, it holds it on stack. Sorry for the squeaking. These cars haven't been used in quite a long time. So yeah, I decided to show y'all this layout I have. And these trains are bloody massive because this is the track that Rio runs on currently. It is not the same gauge as this because it's hair bit different than this. Hair smaller, but this is compared to my hand. This stuff is huge. I remember when I first got this for my birthday, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like always, stay random.